Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can optimize registry files for better performance in any games. You can boost FPS in any games with these settings, so just follow me. Let's get started. First, create a restore point. Go to start menu and type create a restore point. You will find this one. Click on this and click the system file. Go to configure, turn on system protection, put this max usage to 2%, then apply. OK. Now click on create and type anything you want. After you're done creating a restore point, click on this OK. Now go to the link in the description and you will find this page. Click here, click download and download this zip file. I will leave a link in the description for WinRAR. You can unzip with WinRAR or 7-zip. After extracting, you will find this folder. Go to the registry files and open all of this one by one. After doing this, go back to registry optimization folder and install this little registry cleaner. Now click on this scan registry. Now you can close this window and click on this fix problems. Now OK. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I will answer all of your questions. See you in the next video. Till then, have fun, take care, peace.